Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the voicemail number on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on the phone application, and then tap on the option key at the top. From the pop-up menu, choose Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on Voicemail. In here, tap on Voicemail number. Now, if you know what is your provider voicemail number, you can put it in here. So put in your network provider voicemail number and tap on OK. And then tap on OK, and that's it. Now we can tap on the back key to go back to your keypad. Now on your keypad, there is also a speed dial key that has been assigned specifically for voicemail. So here you can see number 1. So if you touch and hold on number 1, that will call your voicemail number. As you can see, after you have set the number, you can use the speed dial number to dial in the voicemail. And that's it. So in here, I'm going to go back into voicemail, and I'm going to put in the right one. And then tap on OK. And you can see that if I touch and hold on number 1, I can call my voicemail number. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.